Congrats! Now as you know all the basics about the candlesticks, the time frames, how does the market moves, what are pips, etc. But if you still have any doubt about anything related to Forex, I will recommend you to watch all the videos again and again. And if still you are struggling with anything, you just directly reach out to me and I will help you in every possible way I can. Let us see some tips before taking any trade. The most important one, be super patient, guys. Patience is the key to the strategy. If you're not patient, you will lose a lot of money. Do not rush to take the trade. Let the trade come to you. Opportunities are never ending. This is the best part about Forex. You will get unlimited chances to make money, guys. Even if you miss out on any trade, do not let your mind trick you that, oh no, what am I gonna do now? I've been sitting in front of my laptop all day and I haven't taken a single trade. I should enter here. I should I should try my luck. No, never do that, guys. You have to observe the conditions closely and take action accordingly. Next, always be aware about the news on the currency you are trading. You can visit forexfactory.com, choose your time zone on their website, and you will see the news schedule of the whole day. Make sure your lot size is chosen correctly. You can also take the help from the Excel sheet which I have shared with this course. Now I will show you some of the examples from the charts and discuss exactly what I visualize when I see the candles forming. As soon as this course ends, I am sure your confidence will rise up and it will reach to another level. And after that, nobody can stop you from making money. Let's see. Let us see this beautiful divergence. Just look at the close of this bearish candle. The RSI is just below this 25 level. Then we saw 3 bullish candles and the RSI is respecting that and rising above. At the close of this third bullish candle, we can see a huge drop, and look closely at this bearish candle. Now this bearish candle is a new low which is lower than the previous low. I will repeat, this new low is lower than the previous low. The RSI should respect that too. But when we see in the RSI, the new low is higher than the previous low. So at this point we can confirm that it's a divergence. Now we will wait to get an entry outside this 2.0 Bollinger Band. Once the divergence is confirmed, you could enter anytime, multiple times on this wick, and you can see that there is a huge amount of profit you can make. The level confirmation. Make sure that this divergence was made in the 32 and 25 level. Let's see the second example. As you can see, the candle closed here, it dropped inside near to the sentiment line and made a new high. The RSI is not respecting that and it ended up lower than the previous high. So the divergence was confirmed, and if you enter here at the 2.5 level Bollinger Band, you can see there's a huge amount of profit you can make. Make sure you will only trade divergence on the overbought and oversold levels, which are 68 to 75 and 32 to 25. Let's see the third example. Now this candle made a higher high. This was the previous high, it dropped to the sentiment line and made a new high which is higher than the previous high. But the RSI is not respecting that too, and we can see a divergence in this level. We will look for an entry outside of the 2.0 Bollinger Band, and you can see a nice drop where you can easily make your profits. I can see two divergences, guys. This candle made a lower low than the previous candle. RSI is not respecting that, You enter outside the Bollinger Band and you make your profits. Same here. This candle made a new high than this previous candle, and it ended up low in the RSI. You can see this happening in the overbought levels. You enter right here outside of the 2.0 Bollinger Band and you make your profits. This candle ended lower than the previous low, but in the RSI it ended higher than the previous low. You can see this happening between this 25 and 32 level. You will enter right outside the 2.0 Bollinger Band and make your profits. You can see this small divergence happening in the overbought level. Entering at 2.5 level is super safe. You can see there is no drawdown. You will directly land into the profits. I love it, guys, when the divergence happens in the pair of 3. As you can see, this bearish candle closes right here. It goes right back into the market near to the sentiment line and makes a new low which is lower than the previous low. And you can see a divergence in RSI. You could have entered right here at the 2.5 level, take your profits, and again you can see and it dropped lower and made a new low, but in the RSI there is still a divergence. If you haven't got out when you entered here, you can enter the market again and close these 2 positions into profits. The more and more you spend time looking at the chart, the best and better you can become to spot the divergence. As you can see here, this bullish candle made a new high than this previous bullish candle, and in the RSI there is a divergence in the overbought level. You will enter right outside the 2.0 Bollinger Band and you can pack your profits. This candle made a new low, lower than the previous low. In the RSI it ended up higher than the previous low. You enter outside the 2.0 Bollinger Band, you pack your profits and exit the market. Guys, when you are trading, sitting in front of your laptop or mobile phones watching these charts, your imagination power should work at full intensity. You have to imagine a quick future that after this bullish candle, if this candle is breaking 2.5 level band and the RSI is showing divergence, I will enter only then. This will help you to get your entries right on time. As you can see here, guys, this candle made a new low than the previous candle, but the RSI also dropped lower than the previous one. So this is not a divergence. Do not let your mind trick you at these conditions, guys. This is a sweet divergence. I love this one. And made a new low, rised up near to the sentiment line, and made a new lower low. RSI confirming the divergence. This all is happening in this oversold levels. I will enter right at this 2.5 Bollinger Band and I can see a huge amount of profit. You can see a small divergence here between these 2 candles. A lower low, RSI is on this is higher than this previous low. I will enter here outside this 2.0 Bollinger Band. I will pack my profits, and again the divergence is happening in the pair of 3. As soon as this divergence is confirmed, I will enter right here at this 2.5 Bollinger Band. I will see some loss in my account, but I will stack up 2 or 3 positions by entering again and again, and you can see it ended me making a huge amount of profits. Here, this candle made a new high than this previous candle. RSI dropped lower than the previous candle. It all happened in the overbought levels. You will enter right here outside the 2.0 Bollinger Band. I will enter right here 2.5 Bollinger Band, and you can see it landed up right into the profits. The candle closes right here, rises back near to the sentiment line, drops lower than the previous candle. The RSI makes a divergence. It is happening on the oversold levels. I will enter right here and I will pack my profits. You will see this all day, guys. The market gives you unlimited opportunity. This candle made a new lower low in the RSI. It dropped higher than the previous low. You will enter right here and you will see your account going into the profits. Now again, this divergence is my favorite. Made a new low, candles coming near to the sentiment line, dropping lower than the previous low, RSI confirming divergence in the oversold levels. I will enter right here at this 2.5 level Bollinger Band and I will make my profits. Guys, I believe this strategy has the potential to change lives, to make $1 million. Practice this strategy on your demo account, master this strategy, and send me proofs of you making thousands of dollars every day. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can, guys. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. Remember, this strategy can change your life. Work hard in silence and let the success make all the noises for you guys. Thank you.